Hi guys, so in today's assignment, what you're going to be doing is deciding if two fractions are equivalent. So what I'm going to have you do for each of these assignments, there's going to be three parts. The first part, or I guess not for each of the assignments, sorry, for each of the questions. So you see on this side here, we have an image, and over here we have an image. You have to write down what is this fraction here, what is represented. So we have 3 shaded out of 6 altogether. So the fraction on this side is going to be 3, and I'm just going to use a slash like this, so 3 out of 6, okay? The fraction right here, so we have to look at this one here, it's 2 out of 4, 2 out of 4, and your task today is to decide, are these equivalent or are they not equivalent? So if you see up here, you see an equal sign. If they are equivalent, you're going to put an equal sign. If they are not equivalent, you're going to put an equal sign with a line through it, because that is another way, like a quick way of writing that they are not equal. So a quick way to do that is just to look visually. You know, in this case, the half of this circle is colored, half of this circle is colored, so we can just see really quickly that those are equal. Okay, so we would put an equal sign. But let's just say that it's not so easy and our picture is like this one over here. So this one over here, they don't have them all shaded in the same area, so it's not so quick to see which one is larger. So the first thing that you're going to do is write down the fraction that you see. So this fraction here would be 1 out of 3. Okay, and the fraction over here, let's see, so we have 1, 2, 3 out of 8. No, not 3, sorry. 4 out of 8. 4 out of 8, just like that. So are these equivalent? Well, it looks like this one over here is bigger, but I'll just show you on paper. If you can't really tell, just visually, if you can't tell, I'll show you on paper a quick way to do this. So I'll just point this down here. Okay, so if you have two fractions, I'm just going to use the same ones that we had there. So we have 1 over 3, and we're just wondering, is it equivalent to 4 over 8? So to do that, what you have to do is the same thing as the assignment from yesterday. So from 1 to 4, well, how did we get to that? We had to multiply that by 4, okay? So in order for these to be equivalent, we also would have had to multiply that bottom 3 by 4. But the problem is that if we do 3 times 4, we're going to get 12, which is not the same as 8, and therefore those are not equal. Okay, so give those a try. You have, let's see how many questions here. I'll just put this back up. You have 12 questions. So what you need to do for each one, I would like to see the fraction that's represented for each, and then whether or not they're equal or not equal. So I guess I'll fill this in. I actually don't know how to do this symbol, so just know that this one is not equal to this one. Okay, so give those a try. If you have any questions, let me know.